what's nice. There's a lizard.
Oh, Michael, look right there. Stripe, see it? That's a pig.
Is it? Oh, that's a 6-line race runner right there. They're fast as hell.
Oh no!
Look at the tortoise.
Oh no!
Oh, he's got him over on his back. Yep. Nice of him. Keep going, and he righted him. That's cool. Come on.
Well, you're blocking all the action, Michael.
I'm sorry. I'll move up.
Help.
Come on. Up a little bit. Up a little bit. Come on. A little bit more.
Oh, there's their whole burrow right there.